Okay, the EyePole needs to be assembled before it can go in the tent. Again, we just take these right up in the air. That's one. There's the hub. Here's the other. Shot cord pulls it together. And we want this hub the other direction. Okay, so these poles go together. They're identical poles that go together this way. So that works like this. You take the open end of one of the arms, goes onto the hub, and now taking care that it doesn't come part way apart, you give it a little pressure and you walk over to the other end. This goes in your right hand, that will be important, and then you reach down and grab that. Okay. So now I need to do this joint. This is where all the technique is. So you take it, you put it up against something solid, so that's solidly against the ground over there, not up in the air. So this will be in your right hand, and you hold it like this, and you walk it towards, you just let your body be the force that pushes it. You don't kind of lever it with your arms, and it'll just slide right together. So do that again. This is something even a kid can do once they know how, because I'm not using my arms, I'm not brute forcing it. This is the technique. When you're doing this, highly recommend at this point that you feel the edges here. This edge is out and this edge is in. So as you push it, it comes neutral and then the other way. So you can, by putting your fingers just like this, you can find that spot to undo it super easily. But your fingers have to be in just the right spot on the pole. When you practice that, then you're golden. Everything else is dead easy. Okay, so that's ready to go in the tent.